Hi, my name is Ariba Mandavia. For the final project, I chose the data set from Kaggle and Zillow, and the house pricing advanced regression technique, and the Zillow housing data (ZHVI). The project overview: the objective is to integrate the Zillow Home Value Index (ZHVI) data with the Kaggle housing data sets to enhance the predictive modeling of the house prices in the MSA. Dataset used was Zillow Metro ZHVI dataset and Kaggle Train and Test dataset. Key features is ZHVI values provide the regional home values inside Kaggle dataset offer detailed property level data. Zillow dataset contains 895 rows, 303 columns, indicate region-specific house values and indices such as region name, state name, time series, data from home values across the multiple years, and then requires extraction of the relevant columns for integration with Kaggle dataset such as region name, city, neighborhood, and the most recent home value index. Kaggle train and test data set. So there is a two CSV files, one strange.csv, which is 1460 rows, 81 columns, including the sales prices target variable, and then test.csv is 1459 rows, 80 columns, missing sales prices. Rich details about homes, including the features like neighborhood, lot area, and giving a growth living area. So the data science workflow is obtain, scrub, explore, model, and interpret. We obtain the data set from Zillow data from Ames, Iowa, and Kaggle data set for training and testing. Scrub, we filter the data, Zillow data from Ames, Iowa, align the columns in merge data sets. Explore, visualize the relationship between the ZHV and the sale prices. The model we did is incorporate ZHV into our regression models, and then interpret, we generate the actionable insights and validate the results. The data integration process has been done in first we have just downloaded the CSV files from the Zillow and Kaggle. And then we have performed transformed the Zillow data sets and selected relevant columns, renamed, aligned them, Kaggle schema, spilled to the Zillow for Ames, Iowa, and then same thing we have done for the Kaggle data set. Tidying methods. So for tidying methods, we have done a couple of things for tidying: column selection and renaming, filtering the data, and feature engineering. So column selection, renaming, the method retained only relevant columns and renamed them to align with the Kaggle schema. The purpose was to simplify the data set for focused analysis. Filtering the data method filtered the Zillow data for Ames, Iowa. Purpose is to reduce the data set to relevant observation. Feature engineering, added ZHV 2024 as a new feature to Kaggle dataset and enrich the Kaggle data with external insights. Here are all the steps that I have done it. The code is already here. So here you can see what are the steps I have actually done. So here you'll see each variable forms a column. Ensure the columns like ZHV 2024 represent distinct variables. Each observation forms a row. Each row represents a single property or region, and each dataset consists of one type of the observation unit. Zillow data pertains to regions, while Kaggle data pertains to the individual properties. The tidying process ensured that both datasets were clean, consistent, and ready to integration for integration and analysis. Exploratory data EDA analysis. Here we made two plots, scatter plot and Instagram. The idea was to just show the relationship between ZHV and the sale price, and insights is a positive correlationship between ZHV and sale price. And here is a code of how we actually did it. Statistical analysis is a correlation, provide the correlation between ZHV and the sale price, and the regression model. The linear regression model was created to analyze the relationship. Challenges and solution. The biggest challenge that I came across was challenge like mismatched columns with the names in a Zillow data. Like this is a quick example of what exactly it was. And then the solution was manually inspected and corrected the column names. Challenge was mapping the neighborhood level data from the Zillow to the Kaggle, and solution used was Ames level SCHVI value for all neighborhoods in the Kaggle dataset. The conclusion and the next steps. The conclusion is integrated the Zillow and Kaggle data successfully, explored the relationship between ZHP and sale price, and next step is expand the modeling to include the additional features, validate the models using the Kaggle data set. Thank you.